In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a barrier that can be walked through once you achieve a certain thing. Death use this. Sometimes they use it with a timer, and Red vs Blues use this as well. So you can have like unlockables with a certain code or based on a timer. I'm going to be teaching you how to set up the barrier. If you want to add more custom things, then you're going to need to go to another video. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to just type in barrier device, and in here there's some things we want to do. Choose it to whatever size you want first. So yeah, we want to go through here, but there's a giant barrier stopping us. In a lot of games they use a timer. For example, this will be like the loot room, and there's a 30-minute timer that you get access to afterwards. Well, I don't know my maths. Okay, so with the 30-minute timer, we would, for example, have this on game start and have it on player, and on success, which we can't edit from in here, so we click on the barrier and we'd press add player to ignore list, use the pipette to click on the barrier, and then use the pipette to click on the timer, and then add to ignore list on success. This would be if you wanted to do it with a timer. Not all the time you want it to be related to a timer. So say you wanted this to happen when you complete the death run, or when you put in a code, or you find the secret button. Trigger add to ignore. We would have, whenever this triggers, obviously you decide when this will trigger, and we click into our barrier device, add to ignore list, and we choose this trigger. So if I quickly show you this in game, we can see we have the 30-minute timer up here. We're obviously not going to wait for that. That is way too long. So right now we can't walk through it. Ideal. And this trigger, which you will set up however you desire it to be, will allow you to walk through. This video was helpful to you. You can go ahead and subscribe. Use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. Like, join my Discord, etc., etc. Have a good one.